Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on DashCam channel. We prepared a compilation of all sorts of epicness caught on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight, grab your snacks and enjoy in this one. Looks like the police enforcers don't always have to obey the traffic rules and regulations. This officer right here broke the speed limit and passed the camera over a double solid yellow line.
On the left. See that?
I don't see it. I'm past it.
Hitting it over there. Or statistically, that's the unlikely. Good thing nature has got your back. Stem bug killers combine powerful active ingredients found in plants like lemongrass and geranium and scientifically engineer them. Trades are welcome. Central Maine Power Sports buys late model motorcycles and ATVs.
Oh!
Search for TOS, the Mountain of Pure Rock, in your app store. Download it.
In this situation, driver lost control of his vehicle and crashed. Sharp corners and speeding don't go hand in hand, and in this video we see why. Driver ended up completely off the road, and hopefully he's not injured.
My gosh.
Like, okay, let's take my fakey self. I did buy enough fake movies.
driver, who made a risky left turn, and even though his view was blocked, he still managed to do it, and that came with a lot of consequences. Cameron was just minding his own business, but all of a sudden it came to a heated and a crazy road rage between him and another driver for unknown reasons. From what I managed to see, the camera did absolutely nothing to upset this crazy driver, but boy oh boy was he mad over something. For whatever reason, this guy decided to open his window, threatened the driver and even spit at his vehicle. He threatened him to pull over to the side of the road to fight, and the raging situation was far from over. Stay tuned. Eventually, this crazy driver kept the camera off and he pulled over to the shoulder, but the camera was smarter than that and he didn't want to get into some unnecessary trouble, more than needed. This truck driver is supposed to be a professional, but check out this move.
Card.
Cameron was just trying to mind his own business here, but what about this for a reckless move from a Mustang driver? He made a turn without bothering to indicate nor look at his mirrors. This is unbelievable.
No, he can take his job, no matter how much money it is. I cannot take this job. So I had a very clear vision of where I wanted to go with my acting career. So I felt kind of like this is in my way. Would be a side thing that it would take me away.
One vehicle broke down on the right shoulder of the road, and when other drivers tried to pass him, the last one nearly got involved into an accident from a driver in the oncoming lane. This right here is a clear example of what can happen if semi-truck drivers are not patient and don't pay attention at the road. Cameron was carrying a bulldozer when all of a sudden this lady cut right in front of him and slammed his brakes to make a turn. This could have ended way worse.
Oh boy! Shit!
Current loop video is now locked.
This driver was far from pleased with a rude BMW driver who cheated his way through dense traffic.
Did that BMW driver just cheat? Oh my word. That BMW literally cheated.
This crazy BMW driver won't surely drive for too long if he continues to drive recklessly as this. Watch how he casually cuts others in traffic and he doesn't care at all.
How long has he been dating the girlfriend? Holy sh**! Oh! Oh, asshole driving the wrong way. What the? Oh my god.
Rude driver got impatient in a construction zone. He flashed his lights at the camera and before you know it, he got in front of him. This was really reckless and dangerous, and because of that, this truck driver flashed his lights and it came to a road rage as the rude driver tried to brake check the camera because of it. Unfortunately, another episode comes to an end, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable out of all these fails. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. Make sure to leave a like, because we will really appreciate it. And while you're at it, please do subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.